video.
We have to show it in here.
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure you're gonna rain?
Hey?
Are you sure it's gonna rain?
Well, I'm not sure. It's just there's a big black cloud that's come over.
Oh no. No, I don't think so.
Oh look, it looks much better now, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just doing the finishing touches to the front bit.
There's a big hole here, oh.
Yeah. Smile while you plug the hole.
Huh?
Smile while you plug the hole. Oh, you got your mask on. Oh
I
no.
have to put the mask, darling. Right, guys. This is what
It's for my poo.
we are doing now.
It's daddy's poo.
No.
We're making a concoction.
Keep
of daddy's-
mixing, boy.
We're making a
So
concoction
this is
of
in
daddy's
our-
poo.
It's a footsteps. It's a steps. It's very ugly, so I decided to make it a bit beautiful. Really.
We should start.
So I put some water, clean up.
We should
Now
really
start
get a mix of
mixing
that.
this stuff down. One. What's that? Base.
We should really get a mix.
It's
of
all
that.
about the base render. One coat base render. Oh, it's hot. Thank you for helping me, young man. Okay, now it's my turn. Come on, because it's gonna be hard. You know what? If you very slow, it will turn into hard, like this one.
Yeah, we want that.
See? See?
Ow!
You
Don't
can-
sling it at my face. Can we do it now? I'm
Hang
getting
on,
bored.
darling.
I'm gonna clean it.
Oh!
All about do mix.
It needs to be clean. Oh, it needs to be. Oh my
I
god.
think it's done.
Not yet, darling. They still have. Oh.
I'm bored.
Go out. Get in there inside.
Looks like daddy's poo.
Yeah. It's like a poop. And then I need to do that on it. Oh my god, it's not mixing properly though.
It's all about the beast, but no beast, no club. Trouble.
Move, darling,
All
please.
about that beast, about that beast, trouble.
It takes a lot of time to mix
All
it.
about base, baseball.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, look at that. They still have at the bottom.
That's Coca-Cola.
Thank you for helping, boy. Can you hold this, young man? Oi! What? Oops. Init. Oh my god, it's not totally soaked yet. Oh wow, it's perfect.
When are you going to finish it?
I don't know yet. Go and play your computer. Because it takes time. It needs to be mixing properly. Or otherwise. Look at me, guys. Hold it. Give me that one.
Yeah.
Hold it. It's
Where is it?
This is about the bottom. Look, see? Still have it. Oh my god. If you're building a house, then this is what you need to do. Please don't drop that.
That power's in my hands.
Okay,
See you later. Bye bye.
What are you doing? Can you please stop doing that?
Fine. It's all about the basement. Oh, Grapple! Get your grapple now for grapple. You get that for grapple and puzzles.
It's Becky, that one.
We need a
Mixing. How are you doing today? I am mixing. Oh, today. I know. Now look at me.
Brian?
No, I have you hostage. I think that you are hostage. I don't even
this one is
know.
Yeah, it's okay now. Darling, can you look at this? Is this perfect?
Yes. Now can I? Here, hold this. Hold it. I want to do it. You. Hey. That's funny.
Wash your hand. Right, guys, I will try this one and see if it's okay now. You can help me if you want. I need to push this.
I want to do it.
You can have the other one there. There's a small one. Yeah. But don't touch it, darling. Just put the thing in here. It needs to be leather.
Flat glove. Hey, you lied to me.
What? You need to push that, darling.
Hey, you lied to me.
For what? Be careful, please. Look what you've done.
Yeah.
This is gonna be hard, that one.
Yeah, do you have any water?
No, you don't need to put water in it.
It's fixed. You're welcome.
So we are doing
I
it
fixed it.
together.
I fixed that. It's fixed.
Put some more.
How do you do that? You just place like that and then you're like,
Yeah, be careful, be careful.
how did you do that? You just take your fat lump and then...
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's a snail. Oh no, look at the snail.
Let's move a bit.
Wait. Wait.
Oh my goodness.
Dare you!
Wait for it, darling.
Oh, is it some kind of football chap?
Need to...
Why don't we add it on here as well?
No, wait, sir. This way, sir.
Yeah, but like...
This way, sir. Because that one there is okay. This one is not even, darling.
Yeah, this one's not going
You
to be
need to
even anyway.
push. Because there's a hole in it. It's gonna be hard this very soon.
Fill in the cracks.
Yes, good.
Like Daddy's crack.
Oh, stop it.
I'm so
Oh my goodness. What you doing? You scraping it. No. Make it that one. Like that.
like this. Like,
Yeah. You need to smoothen it like that. Oh, you need to push this one because it's not even. Okay? Look, it's hot now. It's gonna get
oh
hard.
Lord.
It's gonna... Chipmunk. Use this one.
I'll be the... Oh, you be the... And I'll be the flop. Plop it down. I'll be the plop, you be the...
Careful, 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 careful.
Hey. Hey, watch out. It's going down in 3, 2, 1. Hey, that was anticlimactic.
Slowly, slowly.
Oh no, it's on my shoes.
Don't do that on your shoes.
I fixed it. Oh, look at that, Mum.
Slowly, slowly.
Look at that. Looks like poo. It's like grayer. Maybe we should put it on the side later. Gregory.
Oh
You
my.
see that vent over
No,
there?
you need to smoothen before it gets dry.
Oh, like this.
No,
I'm
the one
doing
that I...
it. Hey, I'm trying to do my job. It's not making me. I'm so funny.
Alright.
Look at me. I'm doing my job. What? I'm trying to make it so there's a bit of an area where it scraped off. Okay. Fling, plop, then slop. Alright, watch out.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, you lied to me. It's not working. Look at this, Mum. It's not working.
You ruined it.
Like that. Is this clay?
I don't know.
It's cement.
I don't-
Sounds like Philippines.
Huh?
Sounds like Philippines in here.
Can you please smoothen up?
Stop believing. Da-da-da.
It's not.
Don't stop believing.
There you go.
I'm gonna do the other side.
No, that one is...
No, but it's rough. I want
Okay.
to smoothen it.
Okay. Right.
There you go.
That's it.
Oh, it's not working. Scoop it up. Slop it on. And then sning. And then blade. Imagine there's a delivery driver.
I didn't even stick in the... Oh, what's happening? What's happening?
I'm sinking.
Oh my goodness.
Imagine. Wow. Imagine television gets ruined by cement
Oh, no.
on ground. Daddy gets angry at us and kicks us out, and then we'll be homeless for 5 years.
Yeah,
Wait, what?
that's what you get.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my gosh! What is that? Is that a donkey?
What? No. See that? It's even now.
Yeah, like sideways a bit.
Right, that's enough. I need to be...
Am I doing it? Look at this. Am I doing it?
Yeah, like that. Like
Oi,
this.
oi! So let me try it with your one to see
No.
if you're just cheating.
Why don't you put in there?
Where the poo really wants to go.
This one, I need to even this,
Where
darling.
Daddy's poo
Can you
really
please
wants
don't
to
this?
go. Oi! Oi! Tagalog, oi! 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 Tagalog, oi! Oi, oi, oi. Okay, yeah, I'm just using this. Oh, you. Ah! No, I'm not using that. I just. Wee! Hey, Mama. Me? Mum! Mum! Stand still!
I'm trying to put this in. Oi. You see? No.
How are you doing it so good? My one's ruined.
Yeah, keep doing it. Okay, this one here needs to be. Don't touch this in here because that's already smoking.
How are you doing that? Look, let me got a better one than me.
It's alright, darling. Remember, I need to be faster because look, once it's gonna dry, and I cannot smoke it out all. You understand? Huh?
The more you smooth, the less it is. Ah, it's sticking. Is this how Philippines feels like?
Mm. Yeah.
Stick that to there.
Thank you, Brian. Thanks for your help.
Yeah, but you still go inside.
What?
Nothing. How do you do it?
I'm doing it.
How are you doing it so better than me? My one looks like a... And then your one's like... It makes no sense. How are you doing it so good? Tell me your life story.
My life story.
How are you doing it?
It's like that.
Like this? Like that?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yes. Don't do that. Gusbat na lang ni lalaki.
That's all these strokes.
Right.
Oh. How? Look at mine.
Very good.
And look at yours.
Oh, that's why you cannot do it properly.
Good job. Are you paying me?
I don't know, darling. Look, he's